So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a Chicago style citation here on Google Docs. So once you have your things, like let's just say, for example, you want to do the movie The Godfather and you want to make this a Chicago style citation, go to this top bar, press Tools, then go down to where it says Citations, and then make sure that Chicago style is selected. So there's MLA, APA, Chicago, press Chicago, and then press Add Citation Source. Go ahead and select your source type. In this example, I will just use film, and then access by I will go on film. So once you're here, go ahead and fill in what you got to fill in. So in my case, there's the name, the title, the translation, etc. And once this is all done, go to the bottom, press Add Citation Source right there, and you can add a source that is Chicago styled in regards to the formatting. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add a Chicago style citation on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.